Place an ample amount of adhesive on the back of a shelf and press firmly for at least 30 seconds. Make sure the shelf is completely bonded. For proper soap dish placement, check the level before gluing attachment strips. Apply glue and press firmly until bonded. Use white waterproof caulk around the shower base. Denatured alcohol works well to clean up excess caulk and maintain a nice bead. Use a color-matched waterproof caulk on the inside of the enclosure. Make sure there are no gaps or holes in the bead of caulk. Caulk around all gaps and edges, including the shelves and the soap dishes. Clean up excess silicone and caulk as you go before it dries.